When you need to replace your automobile's glass, be it side windows, windshield, or rear window, we know exactly how to do the job right. You'll see clearly with our professional installations for any make or model. We can also accommodate your other auto glass needs, such as tinting or even sealing any nick or ding caused by flying rocks. We do it all. Our professional installers have years of experience and know that your satisfaction is our #1 priority. Call today for a fast, friendly, no-obligation quote, or drop by and we'll inspect your vehicle for you. Choose the professionals that have been in business and serving your area for many years. In a hurry? We can do same-day service if requested, and you'll leave feeling safe behind the wheel of an auto with glass that can pass any test. We look forward to serving your auto glass needs, so call us for an appointment today.